Do you ever wonder how you could possibly create your own lettering style? Are you struggling with comparing yourself to others? I'm so glad you're here. Join me in creating your own confident lettering style with this YouTube series called 26 Ways to Letter. Hey friends, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Today's video is all about letter R, and I will be using Kuretake Zig brushables. These are amazing brush pens. They are dual-sided with both ends being brush tips, just in different colors. The flexibility is great, but they can be hard to find. I got mine at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, but I don't think they have them anymore. The workbook I'm using here is Fearless Lettering. This is my workbook with 26 styles for each of the 26 letters of the alphabet. It also walks you through the process of creating your own confident lettering style. Alright, so R is such a fun letter. I personally love both lowercase and uppercase. I love that there are so many variations and I love the way they look. I have a lot of favorites where there are some letters that I only have one style that I like. In these 26 Ways to Letter videos, I like to give you a little confidence pep talk. The reason I do this is because I started lettering during a difficult time and lettering became my therapy. I started lettering all the time and it brought me so much confidence to my life. Not the definition of confidence that we sometimes think of being extroverted and talking to a lot of people. It's not that at all. I'm talking about the definition of confidence where you have a hope and assurance about the things happening in your life. You are accepting of who you are in all of your flaws as well as your strengths. You know the things that are going to be hard for you, and you know the things you love and what you're good at, and you know you can handle anything that comes your way. You know what you need to do to be able to take care of yourself. It's always a good thing to look back at where we've come from. There is a saying for when things get hard that goes, "Remember why you started." I haven't really liked this saying because when things get hard, I don't think you should just remember why you started and keep going even though it's hard. Sometimes that does work, but instead you should remember why you started, but then don't just keep going even though it's hard. Reevaluate if what you're doing is still serving you in the way that you hoped when you started. If it is, that's great. Keep doing that and push through the hard stuff. If not, it's okay to change what you're doing. You're not giving up. You may just need to tweak some things so that it can serve you again instead of just pushing through this hard, stressful thing. When I started lettering, it was a way to bring confidence back into my life. Now it's also become a way for me to share that with others, and I have created the business part too. But sometimes it gets hard. I feel overwhelmed. I maybe even want to quit sometimes. In those times, I try to reevaluate what I'm doing. If I'm getting caught up in comparisons or doing something just because it seems like it's the way I'm supposed to be doing it, I know I have to change. My lettering style has changed over the years, and the projects I create or sell have also changed. But I always come down to making sure that lettering continues to be the thing that brings me confidence. Everything else is secondary, and that's what I want for you too. So today, while you're coming up with some different R's, focus on why you letter. Your reason may be similar to mine, or it could be something totally different. Whatever it is, it's meaningful to you and it can help you create your unique style. You have unique ideas to share, and you will continue to grow as you take those ideas and reevaluate them. I would love to hear in the comments below, why did you start lettering? And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you being here. Subscribe so you don't miss my next video, and I will see you next time.